This is a short video on how to fix your riding mower steering ball joint tie rod if it should break loose. Rather than wait for another tie rod to come in the mail, I found a way to solve the problem. Actually, my fix is much stronger than the original ball joint that came with the mower. What you do after removing the two pieces off the mower is to clean them off of dirt and grease first. Then drill through the female end per the picture with a drill one size larger than the bolt you are going to use. I believe the bolt I used was a 5/16 and roughly 3 inches long. Upon reinstalling your repaired ball joint, use something like Loctite or a lock nut to keep the two from coming apart while you're mowing. Mine, a year later, is still looking good. Actually, I did receive a new replacement in the mail and never used it. Thank you for watching. Visit us at larryandjayden.com. There's a lot of other great ideas on there. Thank you.